Sure.
Too much moisture in the house, and of course where you have moisture, that's where you're going to have mold problems.
Absolutely.
Now what about the new, well, I guess it's not new, people have been talking about this for years now, you got to seal up your house, you got to seal everything out, you don't let any air in. Can that cause problems? Because with a lot of, like carpets, you'll get off-gassing from carpets. Environmentally, is that healthy?
No, it's not. What's happening is we're taking houses that used to leak. The windows leak, they were poor windows, the basements weren't finished, they don't have good vapor barrier systems, and we're sealing them up. So we put new windows in, we put styrofoam on the outside, we finish our basement, and suddenly there's too much moisture in the house. It's because of our lifestyles. The fans aren't working properly in the bathrooms. The moisture that used to get out, the windows can't get out anymore. And when we do that, we get usually something like a mold problem help. So you've got mold, you've got new products that are gassing off, you have products that you bring into the house that you buy, plastic containers, all of these things have a certain amount of gassing off. So if you take a house 30 days after it's been tightened up, and these things begin to build up within the house. So you have a higher chemical issue, you have a higher mold concentration because it can't get out, there's no fresh air coming into the house. And it's extremely important that people that are renovating look at their mechanical systems. And that doesn't mean replace their furnace. That means they may need some system to bring in fresh air, or just an air duct into your furnace that brings fresh air in.
And you're saying renos can be the biggest situation here, because in new home construction, I guess there's lots of rules to guide everybody through that process, but when you're doing your home renos, that's where you can compromise things.
Renovations are extremely important because the houses were never designed to be airtight. They don't have perfect vapor barriers on the inside. One of the things I don't like is you take a 70s house, for instance, and in the 70s they were just bringing the vapor barriers in, and they were very light, and you know, the electricians and everybody else didn't respect them.
Holes through.
Right. So then we come along now in the 90s and the 2000s, and we're putting air barriers on the outside, they call them, but we're finding out now that they are actually moisture barriers.